Okay, there's no way this is how this works, but I was in the middle of watching a story about a murderer couple, and my dad's car alarm goes off. That doesn't just happen. Somebody has to shake it, try to open the door, try to unlock it and fail. That doesn't just happen. The only thing that I'm hoping is that a bunny rabbit or a dog ran into it at full speed, which I don't think is possible for that to just happen. That doesn't happen. I am going to keep recording later if I see something. Bye.